Hey guys, welcome. I'm super excited to start off the week with the 50K evaluation account giveaway from My Funded Futures. So shout out to them for letting me do this. And the rules are super simple. There is a link down there in the description. First of all, rule number one, you have to be a subscriber to my channel. So that's number one. Number two, you need to register for a free My Funded Futures account. So basically just use the link in the description or on the form. Just make a registration. You don't have to purchase anything, so don't worry about that. And rule number three is you just have to fill out your email and your name on the Google form. And basically that's it. The winner is going to be announced on Thursday PM session, so we still have some time until that. I'm going to make a tweet on Thursday PM session, yeah. So the winner is going to be announced, and that's it. I'm very happy for My Funded Futures to help out the channel with this. And guys, make sure to subscribe, fill out the form, register for an account. That's all to do it. 50K starter account giveaway. All right, so see you guys on the live streams. There's more to come, so stay tuned.